Today I'm heading to the southern end of the Huachucas to the Cave Canyon area to meet up with the Huachuca Hiking Club. The weather is forecast to be a little bit sketchy, but rain isn't forecast until after 1 o'clock, so we should be able to knock out our hike, which is up Oversite Canyon to Bear Saddle.
Pomegranate tree when we get back. There's a pomegranate tree. So we should probably check on the pomegranate tree when we get back. There's a pomegranate tree.
I saw this same sign in Corn Canyon on Thursday.
So you saw the bear trap, or the bear trap?
No, there were bear trap signs along the road, and at the 1 mile mark from the parking area, if you look very carefully, you'll see some tin over there. It's easy to miss. And that is the remains of a miner's cabin. Picking up trash isn't bad, it's the stopping to take the pack off to put it away that's kind of a slowdown. Yeah, here comes the rain.
Hey, Bill and Miles, Karen and I are turning around. Okay.
Yeah, I gotta get my umbrella out. This rain makes all the rocks with the lichen and the moss and everything greener than green. Some of the folks are ahead and already at the cars. And Tom just radioed and mentioned that, Karen, you left your car window open. So I'm going to stop fiddling around and get back and see what the damage is. Well, it's doing all right. That's a boneheaded move. See ya. Bye, see ya.